everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just an absolute baby doll, 1969 Chevelle SS convertible killer car, guys. Out of Alabama, one owner car. This guy bought this car brand new. Matter of fact, I bought its sister, which was a hardtop, that he's owned. I can't remember how long he's owned it, but one of their neighbors actually bought it new, and I think he said he had it for 4 years, and then he bought that one from him. So a pair of 69s I got from this guy. We actually sold the 69 hardtop today, but gorgeous car, finished in bright red. It's got the Parchment interior. Guys, this car was restored 17 years ago, and it is beautiful. He said not a lot of miles put on the cars, but I'll tell you, matter of fact, I've been driving this car all day. I got the pictures done, and then we sitting around waiting to shoot video, and we got busy. So I've been running this car all over the place today, and it is just a sweetheart. Again, finished in bright red. It's got the white Super Sport stripe. It's got 15x8 SS rallies all the way around it. Killer car. It looks like most, sorry, it's gotten dusty out here too, guys. Couple little bugs in there. Most of this front grille and stuff's original, so you can kind of nitpick that. It's got new bumpers on it. Slick, bright red paint. But I've been driving this thing all morning, man. Had to run home for a minute, jumped in it and drove it. Buckets, console, I love that Parchment interior. It's got that pearl look to it. There's not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car, I'll tell you that. It is slick. Nice and straight down the sides. Goodyear Eagle GT2s all the way around it. Again, 15x8 SS rallies on it. Those look great. Good sounding Magnaflow X-pipe dual exhaust system in it. That is a pretty car right there. And again, runs and drives outstanding. Front disc brakes. Original 396 car. Now this obviously is not a 396. This is a 502 crate engine, and it's supposed to be 460 horse. Brodix aluminum heads, Hooker big tube headers, Holley 4-barrel Edelbrock intake. It's got power steering, power front disc brakes, and air in a convertible. This thing's loaded with options. Upgraded the HEI distributor in it. It's a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. Plenty of power. Thing runs and drives awesome. Aluminum water pump. Shifts out good. Like I say, plenty of power. Got the dual chrome mirrors. This stuff looks original. It's got 90,000 original miles on it. Power windows, power locks. I think that's the original carpet in that car. I believe they've recovered the seats. See, nice and clean in the doors there. They definitely had to repad and refoam these seats. Buckets, console, tilt column, power top, replace the top. It's got a white convertible top in it. 92,674. That's supposed to be the original miles. Like I say, it was restored, they said, about 17 years ago, but there's not many miles they said on the restoration. Factory tach and gauge car. It's got an aftermarket radio. Dash pad's nice. Got the Hurst shifter in it. Again, H-pipe. So dust if you see that. Sorry, guys. H-pipe Magnaflow dual exhaust system in it. 12-bolt. 331 gear with the F41 suspension. Slick, slick. Turn the key and go cruise. Sorry, guys. Again, it's been sitting out here waiting for me to come shoot the video. We just got busy. All spackle coated in the trunk. Wicked cool car. Everything opens and closes nice. Car's clean underneath. Door seams are nice and clean. If you're looking for a nice Chevelle to turn the key and go cruise, I just think you are going to fall in love with this thing. Good car. Got to be neutral to start it, guys. It's got the Tremec trans in it. Parking brake works. Yeah, turns D-tires right up. Then you just turn your air on, air blows cold. That's a wicked cool car right there. 502, Tremec 5-speed, 12-bolt F41. Air, windows, locks, tilt, tach. All the gauges are functional. The only thing in there I don't think works is the clock. They probably got that unhooked. One little brake backup light out. Radio works, blower motor works. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. That is a pretty son of a gun right there.